Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. As you can see, we're going to use very thin bamboo stick, roll it and make the design by pressing it on the top. Then using two chopsticks, we're going to press it further from both the sides. After this, you can use this clip and make the design of the legs like this. Paste two eyes and then we're going to make a circle using stick and it's done. As you can see, we're going to take this yellow color of dough, roll it and then we're going to cut it into 4 parts. We are making the 4 legs here. Simply cut it from the top as well and then put another piece for the head of the bull. As you can see, we're going to further cut it. We are making the horns and ears. Here we are using the chopstick and make hole on both the sides for the ears. Put these black seeds inside. Now we are going to further cut it from the top and then we're also making the tail here. Take another piece, roll it, put it at the back and it's done. Here we're going to roll the dough and make a circle. Now we're going to cut it like this. We are making the head here, hold it and then press it using your fingers. Now you can use spoon as well and cut it. After this we're going to cut the 4 legs and then we're going to make the tail as well. Further we're going to put the eyes like we're doing here in this video. Remove a small portion from the bottom. As you can see, we're going to cut it like this. Use chopsticks to give it shape. These type of dough arts are trending nowadays. You can create different shapes and look how pretty this is looking. Now we're going to cut it further using knife and look, it is done. So we're going to roll the dough and give it shape like this. Here we're going to put the black eyes of the fish. Use scissors to cut it from the top. Now you can use this comb for the fins of the fish. Here we are putting this date and we are going to fold it from the bottom. You can use fork as well for the tail of the fish. You can create different designs like we are doing here in this video. You can use chopsticks or spoon as well in place of this to create the scales of the fish on the top. Simply dab it like we are doing here and look, your design is ready. So we're going to roll the dough and make a circle. Now we're going to divide it and make this V shape. On one side we're going to make multiple cut and pull it down and give it shape like we're doing here, overlap it. Here we're going to cut a small portion and we are making the head of the hen. Here you can use red color of dough as well and put it on the top of the head. Now we are making the feathers. Take another piece of dough, roll it, cut it from the sides and then you can use knife and scissors to create the design. Simply put it on the top. You can use chopsticks like we're doing here and dab it at the back side as well. Let's make the legs now. So take another small portion and then we're going to cut it and you can press it using your fingers and it is ready. Here we're going to roll the dough and make a circle. Now we're going to make 3 cut and then roll it. After rolling it, we're going to flip it and cut it from other side as well. After creating 2 similar design, we're going to further cut it from the top. We're going to create fish shape here. So we're going to put 2 black eyes and then use fork and chopsticks. Make the tail of the fish. Similarly, make the fins. You can use this comb to create this beautiful design. Press the comb on the top of it and look, it is ready. And then we can use chopsticks to create the scales of the fish. Simply dab it on the top and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.